So apparently I saw that someone turned my joins off again. When I tried turning them back on, it didn't work. I tried many times and waited for hours to try again, but nothing worked. So for now, you guys won't see me online for a while. Message to my friends, if you invite me and I don't answer, it means I'm offline or I'm AFK or I'm with someone else. So yeah guys, sorry I had to post this. Dash and Green, if you're watching this, sorry but my joins are off for a while. It won't let me turn them on again. Don't worry, it should let me turn them on again one day. Just don't get mad at me, I'm not lying, okay? I don't want to end up making the final goodbye if I get mad because of you guys getting mad at me because of that. Please subscribe, guys. I hit 70 subs until it went down, and I'm at 40. Please help me get 70 back. See you guys in the next video.